Hello everyone, my name is Charlie Simpson and I am a PAL ambassador here at PAL. Today we are going to go over the app called Notability, which you can find on the app wheel under the note-taking section. This app is great for taking notes during lectures and to be able to draw and make diagrams. The first thing I would like to highlight is about Notability is how you can organize all your classes into different sections. So as you can see, I have all my classes for this semester in different color-coded sections. And to do this, you hit the little plus sign on top and you hit subject, and then you can add a class to the little circle. And then you can have specific notes for each class. Today I'm going to show you one of my math homeworks from last year, just to show you how all the tools work. So the first one is this little square with the arrow, and this one you can share your notes to a professor, email them to someone, or even print them. There next is the undo button, so if you're drawing something, you can undo it real quick. This next one is the text tool, so you can make a text box and type whatever you want, and you can change the font, you could change the text size, the color, you can bold it, you can do a lot of cool things. This next one is the most popular one, the one you'll probably use the most. It's the writing tool. So you can write whatever you want on it. You can change the thickness or thinness. You can change the color. You could add colors if you want. So it's really cool. And this is great for if you like to color code your notes, which I love to do. So that's very helpful. Then next is the highlighting tool, which is pretty much the same thing as the writing tool, where you can highlight things in your text, and you can also change the thickness and thinness and the color of the highlighting. The next one is the eraser tool, so this is just to erase anything that you want to. Then the circle one is if you want to move one of your pictures around to a different page or different section. So you just put on the bottom and it'll scroll up or scroll down. You can also duplicate it. This is good for diagrams if you want to make all your shapes the same sizes. So this is a really cool tool. This next one is a pointer finger. So this one is just if you need to scroll in your notes and you don't want to draw all over them, that's what you use. And then the microphone tool is a really helpful tool that a lot of people use. This is also where you can take notes during a lecture. So if you use the accommodation to record lectures, you can use this to record what the teacher is saying. Another thing that is really cool about this is when you listen back to it, you click what you wrote or drew there, and it will play what the teacher said while rewriting what you wrote. Then the next one is a plus one, so you can add a photo, a document into it and write on the document, stickers, web clips, and sticky notes. And then the three dots is just if you want to add different templates. So you can they have a bunch of planner ones, they have different pages, and they also have sports planning as well. And then this last one is just, it shows all your pages that you have in your notes. You can add ones, you can delete ones, and those are the basics of how to use Notability and how to use all the tools. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any other questions about Notability or any other assistive technologies, please come down to the AT Center. We are here to help.